Sorry guys, technical difficulties. So here we go. Here is the Mr. T noteworthy version of this LSD rapid fire. So you're going to see A times E to the K, right? Okay. A is always going to be greater than 0. Now if K is greater than 0, it's growth. If K is less than 0, it is decay. Okay, decay. Okay. Because you see, we're just replacing our B with an E to the K. Tricky, huh? Again, same stuff as before. Don't worry too much about this. You still pass through to point 0, 1. And the other point though is 1 E to the K. It's still your B, guys. Let's see this happen though. Let's say you have E to the 3x. Quick review. Remember, if you have f of 3 times x, it is a horizontal stretch. Actually, it's going to be a shrink. Why did I give this one? Because remember that same thing as x over 1/3. So it's a shrink because you use that number. Now if I would have done 3 to the f of x, that's a vertical stretch. Okay. And again, guys, I do realize this because we're looking at that. Because the original is e to the x, so that's f of 3x. Alright. Now this is the important, this is the fun stuff, this is the reason why I wake up in the morning. Logistic growth functions. This is where this occurs in population growth, business modeling. Population's a big one though, because it deals with carrying capacity. And I don't know if you guys realize this, but humans have a carrying capacity on this planet for how many people can live here. Okay? Maybe we'll look it up at the end of the class today or something, and we'll see what it is. But we increase it by adding medicine, so we have to recalculate the formula. Okay. Ready? This box is noteworthy. So A, B, and C are positive constants. B is less than 1. Is a growth function that can be written as f of x equals c over 1 plus a times b to the x. That's your exponential. Or same thing with e to the negative k. Okay, e to the negative k. And the constant c is the limit to growth. C equals carrying capacity. Okay? Population can't get above that C. That's why, by the way, guys, all this is noteworthy. That's why the population will grow. It'll grow exponentially for all, and then it'll reach that C, and it won't pass it. It'll slow down. Okay? C is your carrying capacity, your limit to growth. Alright, so let's take a look at this guy. Find the y-intercept and horizontal asymptotes of this beast. So logistic looks like this, right? Okay. And it's going to reach this carrying capacity. Where does this come from though, this up here? At 9, right? So our horizontal asymptotes are going to be when y equals 0, because you can't have below 0 population, and y equals 9. So you just look at that top number. If that was 900, it'd be y equals 900. Okay, and then our y-intercept, you guys remember this from before? That means you plug 0 in for x. Okay, so you plug 0 in for x. Okay, so we get 9 over 3 plus 2 times e to the 0. Well, what's anything to the 0 power? Times, it's 1, right? So we get 9 over 3 plus 2, so we get 9/5. So our point is 0, 9/5. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Last one. Suppose Harbor Beach was growing at a rate of population in time of 2,532 over 1 plus 13 times e to the negative 1.052 t in years after 1950. When will the population be 2,000? Write this question down. We're going to finish it tomorrow because you guys use calculator. But the one thing I will ask you guys is, what's the carrying capacity of this one? Its carrying capacity, well, it's 2,532. So that means I have an asymptote at y equals 2,532. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'll finish this one up when you guys see me again. Have a good day. Hi, Pre-Calc kids. We are looking at 3.1b today. And some of you guys might say, why do I learn math? It's so unnatural. No, it's not. We're learning about natural base today. Okay, E. And what is E? Good question. This is noteworthy. No, it's noteworthy. E is the limit of 1 plus 1 over x to the x. You might say, Mr. Woodger, what? Why? This doesn't make... Why is it this? It's actually a really long proof. And it's really interesting. If you take calc, they talk a lot more about this guy and its odd qualities. Okay.